Welcome to this session on Software Development Lifecycle, also known as SDLC. In this presentation, we will explore the different phases of SDLC, various SDLC models, and how organizations use SDLC to build high quality software in a structured and systematic way. So, what is SDLC? SDLC is a structured process followed by software development teams to design, develop, test, and deliver software. It ensures that software is created in a predictable, efficient, and high quality manner. It provides a roadmap for teams to follow, reducing risk and improving communication across the project. SDLC phases. SDLC typically consists of seven major phases: requirement analysis, planning, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Each phase has a specific purpose and produces key deliverables. Together, they ensure the software is developed in a controlled and systematic manner. Let's see the phases. So first we have requirement analysis. The first phase is requirement analysis. In this stage, business analysis stakeholders and the product team gather and document functional and non-functional requirements. Workshops, interviews, and brainstorming sessions are conducted to understand what the software must do. The main output of this phase is the software requirement specification document or SRS. Second is planning. The planning phase defines the overall strategy of the project. The team determines the project scope, timeline, cost estimates, resources allocation, and risk analysis. Project managers create the project plan and identify feasibility constraints. This phase sets the foundation of successful software delivery. Design. The design phase focuses on creating the architecture of the software system. High level design includes system architecture and module breakdown, while low-level design dives into database structures, UI/UX wireframeworks, and workflow diagrams. The key outputs include design documents, architecture diagrams, and frameworks. The development phase is where actually coding takes place. Developers build the software based on the design specifications. Coding standards and guidelines are followed to ensure quality and consistency. The output of this phase is functional software modules that begin to form the complete application. In the testing phase, the software is thoroughly validated to ensure that it meets the requirements defined in the SRS. Different types of testings are performed: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. The goal is to identify and fix defects early, ensuring the software is stable and reliable before the release. After testing is complete, the software is deployed to the production environment. This may involve multiple steps such as staging, deployment, beta release, and final production rollout. Today, many teams use automated CI/CD pipelines to deploy software quickly and safely. Once deployed, the software enters the maintenance phase. This includes fixing bugs reported by users, adding new enhancements, improving the performance, and ensuring compatibility with new systems. Maintenance ensures long-term stability and usability of the software. SDLC models. There are several SDLC models that organizations can choose from depending on their project type, requirement, stability, and team structure. The most popular models include Waterfall, Agile, EV model, Iterative, Spiral, and the Big Bang model. Each model has its strengths and limitations. The waterfall model is one of the oldest and most traditional SDLC models. It follows a linear and sequential structure where each phase must be completed before moving to the next. Waterfall works best when requirements are stable and clearly defined from the beginning. However, it becomes difficult to adapt if changes are required later in the process. Agile. The Agile model is the most popular model SDLC approach. It follows an iterative and incremental development cycle where the product is built in small sprints. Agile supports flexibility, continuous feedback, and quick adaptation to changing the requirements. It is widely used in IT companies and product-based organizations. The V model, also known as verification and validation model, pairs each development stage with a corresponding testing stage. For example, requirements have acceptance testing, design has system testing, and so on. This model emphasizes early testing and ensures strong quality control throughout the development. The iterative model involves building small portions of the software in repeated cycles. Each version improves upon the previous one based on feedback and evaluation. This model is ideal when the complete requirements are not fully known at the start. Spiral model. The spiral model is a risk-driven SDLC model. It combines iterative development with continuous risk evaluation at every phase. It is suitable for large, complex, and high-risk projects where careful planning and analysis are crucial. In the Big Bang model, development starts immediately with very little planning. It is typically used for small projects or experimental ideas where the end goal is not fully clear. While it provides flexibility, it also carries the highest risk. SDLC provides several case benefits. It improves software quality by following a structured approach. It reduces project risk through clear planning. It creates predictable delivery timelines and enhances communication among the teams. Overall, SDLC helps organizations deliver reliable and effective software solutions. To conclude, SDLC is an essential framework for building high-quality software in a structured and efficient way. By understanding both the phases and different SDLC models, teams can select the right approach for their projects and ensure successful outcomes. Thank you for watching this video.